Shandong Grain and Oil Machinery Co., Limited. It is headquartered in Zhengzhou, China. Relying on the Yellow River, grain and oil machinery and equipment base strong support. The company has a huge production base, equipped with first-class industrial workshops, ensure efficient operation of production processes. Meanwhile, the company gathers a strong talent. Among professional R&D team is the core competitiveness of the company. As a high-tech enterprise, China and Switzerland are in the field of agricultural machinery manufacturing, continuous exploration and innovation. Our product line covers a wide range of grain processing machinery, oil pressing, refining, grain drying and other fields, and continue to explore new business areas. After years of hard work, China and Switzerland have established a sound quality management system. Ensure that products are always in the leading position in the industry. Provide outstanding customer satisfaction. China and Switzerland always adhere to the principle of quality first. Implement strict quality control. We provide one-stop solutions for our customers, including custom design, production, installation and commissioning, and staff training. In the industry, products from China and Switzerland, it is known for its high quality and good reputation. Our products are well received by customers in the Chinese market. Has a large loyal customer base. Look to the future. China and Switzerland will take firm steps towards a broader platform for development. We will continue to be committed to technological innovation and quality improvement to achieve agriculture in China. Vision of a leader in the field of machine building.